Hi everyone, Gina K Designs had a new release for May, and I ordered a few things. So I'll open this up and show you what I received. Now I got her bundle, and I got something extra from Deb Warner, one of her sets. So I'll show you what that is. And Gina K's bundles are a little bit cheaper than her kits. There's a little less that comes in it. Her bundles are $44.95, I believe. And I will show you. Now, this was the free incentive. If you spend $75 or more, you get a free incentive set. So this is it, and it is called Sweet Spring. And this one actually comes with a die set. So I have to get the dies now. They usually don't come with a die set, but this one does. And I just love the font. Much love, where flowers bloom, so does hope. Hello. So cute. That little wheelbarrow and that little birdhouse is so cute. So I will be buying the dies for this. And here's her stuff. So everything comes wrapped up very, very well. So you don't have to worry about anything getting damaged. But I will show you what I received. So I bought this die set that's called Lots of Dots. And I love it because it's this, and it's this. And it might be the circles too. I'm not sure, but I don't care about those circles. I got them for this. This die cuts on your card, cardstock, but it just does the holes. You just get the dots. So let's say you want to make a butterfly and you want it to have movement. You could put this and then the butterfly on top so it looks like it's flying. I thought that was awesome. And this came in her kit last month, but I didn't buy that kit. So I had to get this separate this month because after the month ends, they break up the kits and then you can buy things separately. But if you have the money, I would just buy the bundle or the kit because it's a lot cheaper. This was, I believe, $24.95, and the kit is like $59.95, I think, but you get a lot more stuff, so it's worth getting it. But I didn't get it because I didn't like what was in it really too much. It was like a curved border. I mean, it was all right, but it wasn't selling me, so I just didn't get it. But I did want this, so I got that. And then, oh boy, guys, I couldn't believe this set. When Petey had passed away that night, Deb Warner came out with this set, and I couldn't believe it. What are the odds of that? So, black cats, just like my Petey was. So, I couldn't believe it. And these are so cute that I had to get them. I mean, look at that one. And then she didn't add a little hole there because she said you could add it with that little paw if you wanted to. Just so funny. This is a funny set. I love that one the best. Like, what are you looking at? And these two are together if you want to do like a happy anniversary card or something. And here's all the greetings here. There's happy anniversary, have a great day, happy birthday, thinking of you. All these things. And it's just a really funny set. So I can't wait to go and dig into that. And these are the dies that go with it. So I got the bundle. It is the Create Friendship stamp set, die set, and layering stencils. And if I can take it out of this paper, I will show you. This bubble wrap is very sticky, which is not a bad thing. It is the Create Friendship bundle, layering bundle, and this is what you get. So you get the flowers here, then these are the leaves, and then you stencil on the middles, okay? And these are the stamps if you want them, and here's all the dies, all right? And then there's a layering butterfly, so you get that, And then you get that layer on the butterfly, and then you get that layer on the butterfly. Oh, it's 1, 2, and 3. You put them on each other, 1, 2, and then 3, and then you'll get that layer. All right, so that's awesome. So this is what I got, and I will make a card with it, and I will show it to you. You also get the friendship die and shadow piece behind it. And then you get all these stamps. You get these stamps too. Okay, so that's what it is. I won't take it out because obviously whatever's on here is what's inside. So you get the gist. So that's all I wanted to show you. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.